Hi guys, welcome to B Bytes. So today we will be talking about statistics for data science, right? So in the last video we discussed about that what is data structures basically, right? What was the linear search, binary search, but side by side I will be giving you some knowledge about what is statistics, right? So statistics is a very essential part, right? It is a part of applied mathematics basically. It is a branch of mathematics, right? In data science, without statistics it is very difficult to analyze, interpret and organize the data, right? So when it comes to data, what is data? So basically data is something that is raw, right? If we take some facts and figures, right, that I would say that what is, if I just write 1, 2, 3, something like this, right? And I say that you interpret something from these numbers, from these figures, that you would say that I couldn't interpret something from it. So it's right? Data is something that is raw, that is not processed, organized and structured, right? But when this data is organized, is processed and structured in a particular form, then that is known as information, right? When you just put a data in a condensed in some rows and columns, right, you just interpret that, you just make it presentable, right? That is known as information. So you should be aware of the difference between what is data and what is information, especially when you are studying statistics, right? Then I would say that you should be aware of a term called data set, right? Data set is something that is a collection of rows and columns, right? When you just make a table and you just label the data with some headings, right? And you just give them the labels and you say that these are the rows and these are the columns, the records, something, and attributes, right? When you just make it in a form, in a table, in a relation, that is known as data set, right? So in this statistics for data science course, we will be working on a data set, right? I will be showing you some experiments, some interesting experiments that I will be doing here, and you should be learning by side, right? And we will be doing the exploratory data analysis on this particular data set. We will be downloading this data set. I will be telling you some sites from where you can download the data set, right? A very popular site is Kaggle, right? You should visit this site mostly and download the data set that I would be telling you to download, and we will be doing all these experiments on that particular data set, right? So in exploratory data analysis, we will be analyzing the data, we will be interpreting that what is the percentage, what is the mean, median and mode of that data set, and these three things are known as the measures of central tendency, right? So what is measure of central tendency, what is standard deviation and variance? We will be discussing this all things thoroughly in the coming videos, right? This video is just to give you the introduction that what is statistics, what are the main key terms applied here, right? On which thing we are working upon, we are doing the practical work and it is very necessary. So a data set is compulsory here, right? And then I will be talking about what is describe method, right? What is count, max, minimum and percentiles, right? Percentiles, the 75th percentile and the other one is 25th percentile. I will be talking about all these things, right? So this is basically the introduction video of statistics for data science. I hope that you should be aware of all these terms. Thank you so much.